Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm about to do a donut on my mini bike right here in front. Okay, what it is? It's a Manco streaker. It's green. I'll show you guys it in a minute. Has just a 6.5 in it, and it's pretty nice. All right, hang on a second. And it is stopped. Just so you guys know. Well, guys, here she is. It does have neons on it. I'll show you guys that in a minute. We'll go put gloves on. Okay, guys. As you can see, it's green, so it has. It's cold. It's green, so it has green neons on it. Alright, guys, I'm ready now. We do a donut right here, and I'm going to show you guys my mini bike. So, now, my buddy took the lights, tapped them into my magneto on my mini bike. He's very good with electronics, so that's why he did it and I didn't do it. But you guys, if you're going to do it, I'm telling you, if you're going to tap into the magneto, be careful. You probably will end up messing up your motor. Or, I mean, there's the other way. How I had it on my old mini bike, just run a wire run a wire to the battery, and then take the wire, connect it to the battery, and run it to a switch. But here it is. I'm gonna start her up, and I'll show you the lights. Right as I start it up, the lights come on. Watch this. I'm gonna turn my gas on. It is gonna take a while to start up. It is very cold. So. I think my gas froze in my line. Alright, I'm good. My lights. Running my gas right now. It is very cold. But my lights are ran to my motor, so I give the gas to get brighter. Sorry, guys. I probably should have warmed it up before I turned the video on. Let me just say this about my guys. Sorry about this. Sorry about this, guys. But I mean, it took me forever to position my phone to make the video outside and have it on my fence, but alright, well, hopefully this is almost warmed up. I think it's almost warm. But I'll do the donut in a minute, and then I'll pick up my phone, and I'll give you the walk around on it, show you everything and stuff. Alright. Alright, guys, watch this. Alright, YouTube. There was the donut. I think I did somewhat good, but it just got done snowing, so that's why I did it. But take you walk around on it. Regular 6.5 motor. Hey, let me turn my light on real quick. Wait, this shines right at it. Sorry about this, guys. Alright, there we go. So just regular 6.5. Oh, my switch just rattled off. That we're gonna run my lights too. Has a rusted out Comet clutch on it. Really nice. It just died because it's freezing out. It's a Motor City Minis motor. I do recommend you guys going there. It is very good place. It is a Manco streaker. I mean, there's really no upgrades done to it. But, I mean, here's the rims. Just got plain black fenders on it. Well, the front one's chrome. It is a very, very small mini bike. Just so you guys know. Sure you guys see that, but I'm gonna move my garbage cans to do a few more donuts right there for you guys. So, thought you guys might like this video. I hope you do. So yeah. Hang on, guys. Sorry about this. I probably should have just fixed everything before I was gonna turn the video on. Let me see. Sorry about this, guys. Hang on, I'll turn it this way. See. Alright, I think that's good enough. Hang on, I can put it on my garbage can. That's a lot better. Alright, guys. Here goes another donut. watching. Hope you liked the video. That is my mini bike. Hope you like it. Bye.